Here's a 2018 Dodge Challenger. Come on, let's get real. Muscle wins every time, and this Challenger delivers. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, voice activation, heated steering wheel, Uconnect with Bluetooth, and Pentastar engine. Motor Trend reports, fear not Mopar mavens. Despite every exterior surface being different, the production Challenger is a near clone of the fervor-building Showstar, sporting necessary alterations that do little to diminish the shape's impact. Every Dodge delivers a signature thrill. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.